Looking for the top 5 best front and rear dash cams in 2026? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down the best dual dash cams you can buy this year, covering video quality, night vision, parking mode, reliability, and overall value for your money. Whether you want extra protection on the road, clearer evidence in case of accidents, or peace of mind while parked, these dash cams have you covered. I've done the research so you don't have to, and all the product links are listed in the description below for easy access. Let's get into the top picks for 2026. 5. Viofo A229 Plus. Meet the A229 Plus, a next-gen dual-channel dashcam built for drivers who want zero compromises. Powered by dual Sony Starvis 2 sensors, it delivers stunning 2K plus 2K front and rear recording with up to 2.5 tenths better light sensitivity and dynamic range, dramatically reducing noise and motion blur at night. Advanced HDR recording captures sharp details even in fast-moving scenes, while the 1440p 60 FPS front camera ensures ultra-smooth, crystal-clear footage in daylight. With hands-free voice control, quad-mode ultra-precise GPS, and blazing fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi, managing and sharing your recordings is effortless. Add in 24/7 parking protection, a clean, user-friendly interface, and flexible installation, and the A229 Plus becomes more than a dash cam. It's a powerful safety upgrade for every drive. 4. Red Tiger F7N Touch. Upgrade your driving security with the Red Tiger F7N Touch dashcam, designed to capture every moment in incredible detail. With 4K UHD front recording powered by a Starvis 2 sensor and a 1080p rear camera, plus wide-angle views on both lenses, you'll get crystal-clear footage day or night thanks to advanced HDR, WDR, and super night vision. Enjoy safer, hands-free operation using voice control, or manage everything easily on the smart touchscreen, including emergency locks and Wi-Fi access. Built-in GPS and ultra-fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi let you track routes, speed, and quickly share footage through the Red Tiger app. Features like loop recording, G-sensor impact detection, 24-hour parking monitoring, and an included 128 GB card ensure you're always protected. Easy to install and backed by an 18-month guarantee, the F7N Touch gives you confidence and peace of mind on every drive. 3. Wolfbox G840S. Upgrade your drive with the Wolfbox G840S mirror dashcam, built to deliver crystal-clear protection and smarter visibility on the road. The upgraded 4K UHD front camera, 2160p, paired with a 1080p rear camera, captures stunning detail on an extra-large 12-inch mirror display, giving you 1.5 times more viewing area than a standard mirror to dramatically reduce blind spots. With 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and external GPS, you can track real-time driving data and instantly view, playback, or share footage through the Wolfbox app on iOS and Android. A 170-degree front lens and 140 degrees rear lens, smart split-screen viewing, and a sleek 2.5D curved display blend seamlessly into your car while keeping everything in sight. Advanced WDR and HDR night vision, a low reflective LCD, and a professional sensor with a 6-glass lens ensure sharp, balanced footage day or night. Plus, 24-hour parking monitoring with time-lapse recording keeps your vehicle protected even when parked, hardwire kit required. All backed by reliable after-sales support and a 12-month guarantee. Drive smarter, safer, and with total confidence. 2. Turtle D0116. Upgrade your driving security with the Turunsol Ultra HD 4K dual dashcam, designed to capture every moment in stunning detail from both the front and rear. With true 4K recording on both cameras, a 170-degree ultra-wide front lens, and crystal-clear coverage of up to 6 lanes, nothing escapes your view. It comes ready to go with a pre-installed 128 GB card, seamless loop recording, and a smart G-sensor that automatically locks important footage. Super Starlight night vision with wide f1.5 and f1.8 apertures delivers sharp, vibrant video day or night, while ultra-fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi lets you instantly view, download, and share clips through the free Turunsol app. Built-in GPS records speed and routes for added evidence, and 24-hour parking monitoring helps protect your car even when you're away. Hardwire kit required. Easy to install and backed by an 18-month warranty and 24/7 support, this dashcam is a powerful, all-in-one solution for safer, smarter driving. 1. Rove R2 4K Dual. Upgrade your driving security with the Rove R2 4K Dual dashcam, a powerful front and rear camera system built to capture every moment in stunning detail. Enjoy crystal clear 4K front recording and smooth 1080p rear footage with ultra-wide viewing angles, so nothing on the road slips by unnoticed. Powered by the Sony Starvis 2 sensor with super night vision, this dashcam delivers sharp, vibrant video even in low light. Ultra-fast 5G Wi-Fi lets you instantly view, download, and share footage right to your phone, while built-in GPS tracks speed and routes for added evidence when it matters most. Packed with premium features like a free 128GB micro SD card, G-sensor, loop recording, supercapacitor, and advanced 24/7 parking mode, the Rove R2 4K Dual is designed to give you total peace of mind on every drive. And that wraps up our top 5 best front and rear dash cams for 2026. Whether you're focused on crystal clear video, smart safety features, or the best value for your money, one of these dash cams should be a perfect fit for your ride. All the product links are in the description below, so you can check the latest prices and more details before you buy. If this video helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more honest tech and car accessory reviews, and let us know in the comments which dashcam you're thinking of getting. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.